Whether you've already sold CRM to a client or you're going to, having a efficient and smooth onboarding process is very important. The last thing you want to do is have to go back and forth with the client collecting information from them. Instead, you want to make it efficient. Give them a good customer experience by asking for everything up front. And that's exactly what I'm going to go ahead and do in this video. Now, at this point, we've onboarded at least 40 students to GoHighLevel CRM and a handful of clients as well. So this is the same exact process that we follow when onboarding people to build out a CRM for them. Okay, that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Every single snapshot we go over in this video, everything that we'll cover is going to be free inside our Skool community. You can get access to that down below. Not only will you have access to the snapshot, you'll have access to other snapshots, you'll have access to SOPs, templates, over 35 videos that walk you through step-by-step how to actually build an AI business, more specifically an AI agency. And you also have weekly calls with myself where you can get on a call and get your questions answered. So if you want access to this exact snapshot plus everything else I mentioned, there's going to be a link down below. It's completely free. Go ahead and request to join. And within 1 to 24 hours, we'll go ahead and give you access. Now, if we go back to this intake form, you can see here we have a few. We have one for AI voice agents, which you can get access to as well. In this video specifically, we're going to be going over the CRM build out. Okay, so when we go ahead and click on this, you'll see here, let's go ahead and open this up. And let's go ahead and click on edit. Everything you see here is customizable. So these are the questions that we ask when we're building this out, but it's all customizable to you. Okay. So you can see here, this is what this looks like. But there's actually a few pages. Okay. So let's have a look. So first of all, here you can update your logo. Okay. You can update any of this text right here. Okay. And then over here, if we look at this, let's go ahead and click on edit survey so we can see the entire survey. These are the questions that we ask. And again, you can customize this. What days are you available? What are your working hours? What is the appointment duration? Buffer time between meetings? Preferred meeting location? Zoom link if applicable? So these are all questions regarding the calendar so that when someone books a call with them, you know when they're available and how long a meeting should be and the buffer time, so on and so forth. Then here you have the phone system. So do you want to assign a new number and teller, or do you use your own phone number to forward the calls to? Do you want call recordings enabled? Enable missed call text back. Okay. Here you have domain and email settings. So if they have a custom domain or subdomain, they would go ahead and provide it here. They would tell us exactly who they're hosting or in DNS provider. So is it GoDaddy? Is it Namecheap? They'll go ahead and add that in here. Here we have, do you have access to your DNS record? If they say yes or no. And then here the custom values. So we'll set up the custom values for them so that they don't have to always input this information all the time. Business name, phone number, email, business address, city, state, so on and so forth. Google review link, support email, calendar booking link, client name. Okay, all of this is for the custom values. Then we have notification preference. Do you want to receive SMS and email for new lead forms? Do you want alerts and missed calls? Where should you receive these alerts? So this is the intake form that we use, okay? And once they fill this out, this allows us to build out their CRM by like 90%. Of course, the other 10% is stuff that we would go over on the call. Maybe they want a specific automation setup. Maybe they want a specific funnel setup. That stuff we would go ahead and go over once we get on a call with them. But the point of this intake form is to just get the basic information to be able to create the profile for them. And you can imagine if we're having to go back and forth to tell them what is their password, who do they use for their DNS, what is their available hours, it's not a great customer experience. Rather, put this thing together, give it to your customer, have them fill it out within 5 to 10 minutes and save yourself the headache, okay? So this is the exact intake form. And again, everything here is customizable. You can literally customize all of this, okay? Including the actual page itself. You can customize the page, change your logo, headline, so on and so forth. Now, when you get access to the snapshot, you're also going to get access to the opportunities pipeline. So we haven't just created this snapshot, the actual intake form, we've created a pipeline for it. For example, if someone fills out in this intake form for CRM, it'll fall under here. And same thing if it's for voice agent or paid ads. Once they go ahead and fill this out, maybe the call to action that you want at the very end is for them to book a call with you, okay? Well, if that's the case, you can go ahead and simply put a calendar booking there. And once they book the call, it'll be added to this pipeline stage. Maybe they show up or they cancel, then it'll be added to these two pipeline stages. Maybe once the setup is complete, you want it to move to this stage so that another trigger can go off. Maybe you hand this to your client, meaning you give them access. You can have that go in here. So you can customize this as well, but we have a pipeline for us to know exactly where the customer or the student is when it comes to building out their CRM. So this exact snapshot is going to be linked down below, along with a snapshot for paid ads and for voice agents. It's in our free Skool community. Get access to it. I would highly recommend that you join and not only get access to the snapshots, but everything else that you see here. For example, we just uploaded a 7-hour course a few days ago. So on Facebook ads, everything that you need. So yeah, looking forward to seeing you in the free Skool community. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope that you actually utilize the free resources that we have here. Cheers.